how to cite while you write using EndNote with Word, and how to fix common errors. Before we begin, be sure you've installed the JAMA UCF-COM style and the medical terms list. Directions are available on the EndNote 20 library guide on the library's website. Let's get started. Open your EndNote library and your Word document. As you're writing, you can insert citations and create your reference list. Citations are placed outside of periods or commas and inside of colons or semicolons. Place your cursor where you want the citation to appear. Click on the EndNote tab, then Insert Citation. This brings up the EndNote window. In the search box, type in an author, title, or topic. Click on Find. From the results list, select the appropriate resource and click on Insert. The citation has been inserted, but as you can see, this is not JAMA style. At the top, change the style from annotated to JAMA UCF-COM. The citation has now been changed to a superscript number, and the reference is now in JAMA style. To insert multiple references, again, place your cursor where you would like the citation to appear. On the EndNote tab, click on Insert Citation. Do a search if needed. From the results list, hold down the Control key or on the Mac, the Command key to select multiple records, and then click on Insert. If you need to edit the document, just highlight the entire sentence, including the reference, and cut and paste to a new location. Word will automatically update the citation numbers and the references. When you're done with your document, it's important to review your references to ensure they are correct. So let's see how to fix some common errors. As you can see, when you place your cursor in the reference section, a gray highlight appears. This means the Word document is connected to your EndNote library, and all corrections must be made in EndNote. If you make corrections in the gray highlighted area and save and close your document, when you open it later, it will reconnect to EndNote and convert back to being incorrect. Let's review the reference list. A common error is with corporate author names. In this reference, Association AH is actually the American Heart Association. To fix this, I'm going to go back to my EndNote library, double-click on the American Heart Association to bring up the record, and the author field, I'm going to add a comma. This tells EndNote this is a corporate author. I'm going to save my change by clicking on the Save button. I'm going to return to my Word document and click on Update Citations and Bibliography. Now American Heart Association appears correctly. In this reference, HDL is an acronym and should have been in all caps. Article titles should be in sentence case, meaning only capitalize the first word, proper nouns, acronyms, and the first word after a colon, just like a sentence. EndNote does not always recognize proper nouns and acronyms. To fix this, go to EndNote. Then the Edit tab. At the bottom, select Preferences. The pop-up window's default is Change Case. Here you can add proper nouns and acronyms that you want to appear with capitalization. I'm going to add HDL and click Add, then OK. I'm going to return to my Word document and click on Update Citations and Bibliography. And now HDL is in all caps. You can also manually edit a reference in EndNote by clicking on the record and then on the Edit tab. Make any changes needed and click on Save. If you need to submit your document with plain text references, or you want to manually edit your references in Word, you can convert your reference list to plain text. This will disconnect your Word document from your EndNote library and cannot be undone. So make sure you save a separate copy of your document that will remain connected to EndNote. Click on Convert Citations and Bibliography, then select Convert to Plain Text. A warning box pops up. Click OK to continue. Your citations are now plain text and you can manually edit them. Remember, when editing your document, your citations will no longer be automatically updated. If you have any questions about managing your references, please see your librarian. Thank you.